Tired of dropping your phone or struggling to prop it up? Meet the Pop Sockets phone grip with expanding kickstand in black, your new must-have accessory. Don't miss out. Grab yours today. Click the link in the video description to shop now on Amazon.
Welcome to Electro Drive News, where we dive into the latest innovations and trends in electric vehicles and sustainable energy. Today, we're talking about a game changer in the EV world: battery swapping. Imagine being able to plug in your car, get on with your day, and then just pop out to the next charging station for an oil change, minus the oil change part, of course. That's what battery swapping is all about. It's a technology that allows you to swap out one EV battery pack for another, faster than even a pit crew at a NASCAR track. Now, let's get into some numbers. The global electric vehicle battery swapping market size was valued at USD 1.8 billion in 2022 and is expected to grow at a CAGR of 33.4% from 2023 to 2034, reaching an astonishing USD 22.8 billion by the end of the decade. That's a huge growth curve. But what drives this trend? Well, for starters, battery swapping can significantly reduce charging times, making long-distance EV travel much more practical and convenient. It also opens up new opportunities for urban mobility, where charging infrastructure might be scarce, but swapping stations could be conveniently located throughout cities. One company leading the charge on battery swapping is Shell. They've partnered with Tesla to establish a network of fast-charging battery swap stations across Europe and Asia. And it's not just about convenience. These stations can also help reduce the strain on traditional charging infrastructure, which is often limited by the capacity of individual charging points. But battery swapping isn't without its challenges. The cost of batteries and the complexity of the technology itself are significant barriers to widespread adoption. However, as the market continues to grow and mature, we're seeing significant advancements in efficiency, range, and affordability. So, what does the future hold for battery swapping? It's an exciting space with huge potential. As EVs become increasingly popular, we can expect to see more investment in this technology, which will help drive down costs, increase adoption rates, and make electric vehicles even more appealing to a wider audience. That's all for today's episode of Electro Drive News. Thanks for tuning in.